What is up guys, it's Bala back with a new tutorial. Hope you all had a safe Diwali and this week it's gonna be a special one. Yeah, so instead of teaching one sound today, I'm going to teach you all 5 sounds. So this video it's going to be a bit long but watch till end. Now let's go for the first sound. The first sound we are about to see is the C head sound or the small I head. So this one. Place your tip of tongue touching the upper teeth here. Okay, so if when you place there, partially your tongue also touches the roof. Okay, so now when you take back your tongue with the pressure, you will get the sound. And if you close your mouth, you can also notice when you call a dog, you will call like this. So that's the sound you get, the CH sound. Yeah, that's all. And I'll use the same pattern for all the 5 sounds. So it goes like this. So practice the sound hard so that it gets faster. So yeah, like this. So the second sound we are going to see is this one. So it's like reverse CH sound or reverse small head. What we see, the first sound, this one. We are just going to reverse it. I'm not sure how far you will get when you hear, but you will know the difference when you do the sound. So you're just going to place your tip of tongue few inches away from your teeth here. You're just to be sure you're just going to place your tip of tongue starting off the roof where it bends and goes up here. Okay, and you're going to slide your tip of tongue along with the roof from back to front. In that small hi-hat, the first sound we did from front to back, like so. I'll show in my hand. This is my teeth and this is my tongue, tip of tongue. Okay, this one. So like this. Now here you're going the second sound, this reverse I had, you're going to do this one. From here you're going to dash your teeth. That's it. And the pattern. Now let's go for third sound. And the third sound we are going to see is the, I really don't know the name. Yeah, sorry, I don't know, but I named it as the inside hi-hat. So you can use when you beatbox closing the mouth using the throat cake and your nose snare. I already said in my last tutorial, like that. So how do I do it? It's so simple. You can place either the center of your tongue or tip of tongue in the roof, but my good tip is that you practice placing your tip of tongue in the roof. So like this. So when your tip of tongue touches the roof, also make sure that slightly your middle of tongue also touches the roof. I'll show in my hands. So this is my roof and this is my tip of tongue. So it should be like this, slightly like this. So when you just release your middle of tongue, just only the middle of tongue part, just if you bang it down, you get this. See, my tip of tongue always touches the roof. Can you see only my middle of tongue touch the roof and come back again, touch the roof, come back again. So that's the difference. And a small variation, you can do this one. You're just going to take the sound where you're just going to take the sound and move towards the throat. So you're making the sound here. Here, you're just going to take back to the throat. Here. Okay, so just keep on moving your tongue back so that your sound also go back to the throat. Once you get the sound, just drag the sound. That's all. So get a bass, somewhat a power inside hi-hat, and that one is just simply we use, not in beats. Now the inside hi-hat, when we put in pattern like, now the fourth sound is this one, the teeth sound. Yeah, teeth sound. uh, it's so simple. You're just going to bang the upper teeth and the lower teeth. Warning that you don't place your tongue when you do this sound, or else it will get cut off. Yeah, so be careful. And when we put in beats like, so the fifth sound is this one, small k. This one you can do either the left side or the right side, or you can also use the both side, not in center, so both side. So you're going to place your tip of tongue as usual in the roof, and just going to leave, block the other side. If you're going to do on the right side, block the other side and leave the pressure on the right side, like see. If you're going to do the other side, block the side. Then if you're going to do both side, block both side. Sorry, if you're going to do both side, just do it. Since you're doing this one and that one, will have a double effect when we put in beats like excuse me. Yeah, so you have five sounds and you can do anything. And let's go for example. So guys, that's all, we are done. And you have the five sounds. Just combine everything and comment how you felt that. Also like, share, and yeah, subscribe. Yeah, so we'll see next Thursday with a new one. Tata.